Hi guys, what's going on? It is your girl JDK and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this beautiful crimped hairstyle. It's kind of wavy, but it's crimped. The idea is to do the crimps with my flat iron, and I'm super excited because I'm finally going out and this is going to be the perfect summer hair to really just feel the vibes, feel the wind, kind of feel very like beachy but not too beachy, you know, because we're trying to be cute. We're not trying to be a mermaid or anything like that, but I guess you could say this is kind of mermaid hair. But yeah, I love the way that it came out. So if you want to see how I got this hairstyle, make sure you stay tuned and let's get on into this video. So I recently put in my hair and I just feel like it looks so bomb straight, but I want to add a little bit of crimps, and I don't have a crimping iron because for some reason I just feel like, what's the point? You know, like what is the point if I know how to crimp my hair at home? So that's what I'm going to show you guys, how to crimp your hair at home. I am going out. That's why I look the way that I look. Finally, because it's summer and I'm like, should I go out? Yes, I'm going to go out. Like, duh. I feel like I've been in the house. Finals are over and I just feel like I'm ready to just be outside, which is like kind of scary because I have not been outside. I literally was saying this to myself the other day. I have not been outside in a year. Like, it's literally been a year. The fact that I have not gone outside in a year is, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just like, what's going on with me? But I haven't been outside in a year, and not because I'm like scared of being outside. I just feel like I wasn't really interested. I wasn't interested in like being out, being seen, which is crazy, but I just feel like, okay girl, I don't have time to be out being seen. And if you know what goes on outside, it's like, I don't know. So I'm adding my Got To Be Glued spray because this is what's really gonna make sure that the crimps, first of all, last and they withstand the heat, everything. So the crimping starts really simple. It's not necessarily crimping, it's like waving. And the key to get everything to be what you want it is to take your time. Like, take your time so that way you can get the nice waves. And always do it like you're going back and forth. And make sure that within your flat iron, like your flat iron is flat and you're just moving back and forth, but also make sure that everything is like in your hand, because if it's not in your hand, it can get a little bit wide and mess things up. So you really want to just make sure you're taking your time, going super slow, so that way the waves can, you know, stay together. And that's what the Got To Be Glued spray is gonna do, which is gonna help all of the waves stay together. So I like to do it when it gets really tacky and almost kind of hard to brush through. Split it and then add the flat iron. Start where you want to start, but hold. And it's going to give you the waves that you're looking for. I notice that sometimes I make this like waves that you're looking for voice. It's very strange. Parting is also super important. You don't want to just take huge parts. You want to take enough that it's gonna be a slow process. Anyways, like I was saying, I am not nervous to go back outside, but I'm also just like, I love being in the comfort of my own home. I feel like I'm most me when I'm at home. When I get out around people, people act very strange, and I don't like that. I don't like the switch up sometimes people make. If they see, it's like, oof, I don't have time for the BS, you know? So I like to really be in my own comfort and not have to deal with the drama of it all. Ooh, it's so pretty. I'm actually gonna take this and split it in half. Take my time. You almost want to see like an indent. That's how you know it's waving. But yeah, I'm nervous. I'm not nervous, I'm more just like, ugh. Sometimes dealing with people, it's like, girl, you have to really be in the mood. And I was not in the mood. But now I am. So that's a positive, I think. Because before, I was like, girl, I'm like, I don't know. But I'm in such a better place. Finals are done. I don't really have to worry about school up until, you know, when it starts again. But I have some free time for the month. Mother's Day is coming up. Like, I have time to be social. This is like really smoky. Oh, it's so pretty. It's coming out great. I'm back. I just wanted to mention how even though this hairstyle isn't super strategic and it's not perfectly placed and perfectly curled, there is a math to the madness, and blending is super important. So I really don't want it to come off retro. I really want it to come off lived in, and that's exactly why I added this clip, because it's really gonna make sure that it doesn't come off looking like things are not in the right places. It's gonna really almost glue the pieces together and make the final look amazing. I'm just going to add, do I want to do edges? Of course. Why would I not want to do edges? But do you guys see from the side? Wavy, wavy, wavy baby. And we're gonna do a little edge because this is work, you know? We don't want too many edges. But yeah, this is how it all came out. This is exactly how I want it to look. It's kind of like free. I also probably want to clip this because she needs a little moment. Okay, you guys, so we finished up the hair. I feel like I love the way that everything came out. It's full. It's like giving me the life that I want it to give. It's not perfect, and I also think that's super important because sometimes when you're doing your hair, especially I know that it's summertime and it's literally like 92 degrees up until like 3 a.m. or whatever, but it gets hot. So I feel like this is a good transition hairstyle to really make sure that one, it stays, and two, that it like looks this amazing. And I feel like it looks super amazing, and that's super important to me because we don't want to be basic with the little curls and straight and having to put our hair in a ponytail. Like, we want our hair to be free. We want our hair to do what it needs to do. And that's exactly what this look gives. So I'm really happy with the way that it came out, and I kind of like the fact that it's like super messy. It's not like perfectly crimped and wavy and everything else like that. Like, it's giving me the life that I needed to give. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.